Hi there, meteorologist Pamela Gardner. Hurricane Nate about to slam into the Louisiana and Mississippi coastlines. The mouth of the Mississippi getting perhaps a 7 to 11-foot storm surge later tonight as this makes landfall. As a Category 1, it may strengthen slightly to near Category 2 and 90-mile-per-hour winds moving north-northwest. It makes a turn and it quickly disintegrates to a tropical storm by Sunday, but it is going to bring some intense rainfall across the region, the Tennessee and Ohio valleys. Then it progresses towards New England, giving us some serious rainfall, 1 to 2 inches of rain, but not going to experience anything like what the Gulf Coast is going to anticipate over the next 12 hours or so as the system quickly moves inland. Sunday evening, 3 to 6 inches of rain right across Mobile, Birmingham, Nashville to Louisville. Isolated spots in the red could see 10 inches of rainfall, 90-mile-per-hour winds at landfall, and then it quickly decreases to, again, a tropical storm. So our impact here from Nate will be a tropical depression, perhaps an extratropical low, but rainfall Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon, spotty shower chances. The main event doesn't move in until Monday. We start off Columbus Day with some soggy patches, perhaps an isolated thunderstorm chance too, bringing some thunder, some lightning, maybe some gusty wind. 6 o'clock Monday, it's going to be windy, it's going to be rainy, downpours from time to time. Then the system moves offshore. Tuesday morning, we start to dry things off, but it looks like anywhere between 1 to 2 inches of rain widespread. Isolated locations could see 2.5 up to 3 inches of rain. It all depends on where those heaviest rain bands will set up. But tonight is going to be dry and mostly cloudy. Overnight, a chance for a couple sprinkles, 67 degrees and a gusty wind from the south. Tomorrow, the wind continues to pick up, wind gusts up to 35 miles an hour and mid-70s. It's going to feel very muggy, though. Almost like summertime as we head into Columbus Day. Muggy, warm once again, 75 degrees with rainy periods thanks to the leftovers of Nate. And there's your 7-day forecast. Beyond the holiday weekend, Tuesday we go up to 82 degrees, morning rain chance and still muggy. We start to calm things down. A little fall feel by Wednesday, definitely for Thursday. Chance for rain Thursday night. Friday we're dry and the next Saturday another round of some rain.